Hi, James here from MiniInTheBox.com. Today we're presenting an unboxing video. Now from the looks of it, this little propeller thing is going to fly off when the alarm goes off. So this might be just the thing you're looking for if you're a really deep sleeper. You need a little something extra to wake you up in the morning. Okay, we've set the alarm for 1 minute, so in a minute we're going to see what this thing does. I've been told it's pretty noisy, so let's watch out. Ready? Turn this off, you have to catch the propeller and actually put it back in, and that'll turn off the alarm. That's the only way you can get this alarm to stop going. So if you're a deep sleeper, this is definitely going to wake you up in the morning. Flying alarm clock from MiniInTheBox.com. The perfect gift for that deep sleeper who won't get up in the morning. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy shopping. Bye-bye.